The vehicle in question, 2001 CLK 320. If you're watching this, you've been having issues with the vehicle not shifting out of park or not consistently shifting out of park. You've likely seen the other videos on how to do the shift lock override, but they don't actually show how to fix it. Now for me, it was a bad brake pedal switch, even though the brake lights still worked. So in this video, I'm going to give you some pointers to show you how to change the brake pedal switch. First, you'll need a number 2 Phillips head screwdriver to remove the kick plate. Okay, there's a screw here, 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 and here, and you'll also need to remove this vent, which is a quarter turn. So once we have access to it, you will see there are 2 plugs that need to be removed. Now there's a clip on each side of the plug, so you squeeze in on each of those sides and it will pop right out. Once the clips are removed, you can remove the switch. To remove, press the tab and then turn clockwise. When reinstalling, it's basically reverse of the removal. However, when installing, pay close attention to the slots, as the switch can only be installed one way. Once it is installed, gently turn counterclockwise until this tab is properly in place. Reinstall your plugs, your kick plate, and you should be good to go. If this video was helpful to you, please give it a like so it'll have a better chance of showing up in the algorithm to be helpful to someone else. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you next time.